Okay, got it working again. So I'm going to go ahead and do example number 4. If you invest $500 at an annual interest rate of 10%, compounded continuously, so that's the key. It's going to tell us what we're using for a formula. Calculate the final amount you will have after 5 years. Okay, so we have 10% as a decimal. It's going to be 0.10. That's going to be my rate. That's going to be my R. 500 is the amount I'm starting with, so that's my P. And then 5 years is going to be my T. Okay, and E is just a number. So A is what I'm trying to find, the amount in the future, times the P. E is just a number. R and T, rate and time. Okay, so A will equal, P is 500, times E, and the exponent is 0.10 times 5. Okay, we can put all that in the calculator at once, and when we do, we get A equals 824.36. So after 5 years, I should have put my dollar sign in there, we get $824.36. Next one, if you invest $500 at an annual rate of 0.10, okay, so we start out with the same amount of money, principal, compounded monthly this time. Okay, so this means N equals, there's 12 months in a year, so that'd be 12. Calculate the final amount you'll have in the account after 5 years, T. Okay, so this is not going to use Euler's number. It's not calculated continuously or compounded continuously. So we're going to use our A equals P times 1 plus R divided by N to the N times T power that we used prior to spring break. Okay, so we're going to review that. So A equals, principal's $500 again, 1 plus our rate, still as a decimal, 0.10, over N. N is 12. The N 12 times T is 5. Okay. Everything on the right side of the equation is a number, so we can just put it in our calculator. Use the parentheses, and you end up with $822.65. Okay, so if we would have compounded continuously, we would have ended up with almost a couple extra bucks. So there is a difference, though, by how often you are compounding it. Okay, last one, number 6. Again, compounded continuously jumps out at me. If you invest $2,000, so that's my starting amount, at an annual interest rate of 13%. Okay, so my R is 0.13. Compounded continuously, I know I'm going to use the formula with E in it. Calculate the final amount you'll have in your account after 20 years. So T is 20. Okay, so this is going to be my A equals principal times E R T. Sometimes you'll hear me refer to this as the PERT formula. If we spell all that out at once, it says PERT, obviously. So principal is 2,000. E remains E. The R is 0.13. And times 20. That can all go in your calculator at once. And when we do that, we find that our accrued value, our future value of the investment will be $26,927.48. Okay. I want you guys to go ahead and try some of the problems on the back. You will see that there are 9 practice problems. 3 of them are just practicing putting in the calculator, and then there are 6 of the financial word problems. Go ahead and do those. Practice those tonight or tomorrow at some point. I will be posting a key for those practice problems tomorrow, and I actually made a video that will go over the solutions with you, so you can make sure that you're working those out correctly. Please email me. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. If you're having difficulty getting the calculator to work, the emulator, let me know so I can get you some help with that. Want to make sure you have everything you need to be successful working with these problems. Talk to you soon.